So there's this thing happening right now. It's called the quiet revolution, and it's about brain-computer interfaces. You might have heard of them. They're these things that Elon Musk is working on with Neuralink, or the company BlackRock Neurotech, where you can type with your thoughts or control a prosthetic limb just by imagining it moving. But it goes way beyond that. There are already brain-computer interfaces being used today in medtech, applications to help people who are paralyzed regain some of their movement. But there are also brain-computer interfaces being developed to help people who are not paralyzed. The question is, who's going to control the interface? You plug into a machine, and suddenly your thoughts are no longer your own. You have to be careful what you think. I was thinking about this the other day from a Stoic angle. We think of ourselves as in control of our thoughts, but clearly we are not. There are all kinds of things that influence our thoughts, our emotions, our decisions. And what happens when those things are no longer private? When your brain-computer interface is hacked and everyone can see what you're thinking, what does that do to your sense of self?